Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Play, Live, Repeat, and I am back with my part 2 video at the Jaya Play booth at New York Toy Fair 2020. Thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're following me on IGTV, or if you're not following me, don't forget to follow me. Let's get started. Let's start with the Flipazoos. These are the new surprise sequins. They are really super cute and they're gigantic. Now we have big Flipazoos and we have new ones that are a dream come true. These are the adorable Dream and Play Flipazoos. They are super cute. They also come with their own mask that your little ones can use for maybe like a sleepover or a nice comfort plushie to go to bed with. They are really adorable. They have a really awesome fantasy theme, so they are right on trend for this year. There's also the Flipazoo keychains that you could take on the go with you. They attach to a backpack, a purse, anything, and they really just make your handbag or backpack super duper cute. Next we have little bow pets. This is a great new collectible toy that pairs plushies with surprises. So inside of each bow, you get a little miniature figure of your little bow pet. Now your little one can also wear the bow, which is a lot of fun. And you can mix and match the bows to make really unique looks. Each of the bows comes with 2 surprises. Now, if you don't want to get another plushie, but you want to get another bow, they actually sell the bows on their own, and they're just the standalone bows. There's no surprises inside, but these are a nice addition for like maybe a stocking stuffer or something that goes along with this little bow pet. And they're packaged really adorable. This was like the greatest commercial at New York Toy Fair. It was so cute. These kids are so adorable. These are for the Urgent Care Pets line. These adorable pets actually pair the uniqueness of taking care of your real pet, but pairing it with a toy. So this really gives kids like really nurturing capabilities, lets them learn how to tell how somebody is feeling. It really builds empathy, and it's a great toy. And plus they come with a lot of cute varieties like a frog, puppy, kitty cat, bunny rabbit. They're really super cute. Each pet comes with an interactive touch point all over their body, so you'll be able to figure out and diagnose what's wrong with them. Plus they come with that cute cone. I love Mushabelly Grumble. They are so cute. These plushies make such funny noises when you squeeze them. I think they're so adorable. They come with a bunch of fun varieties. So you have sloths, monkeys, unicorns, narwhals, you name it, they have it. You can squish them for fun sounds. They're really super cuddly. We actually took one home and I'll make a video on how it looks like. I'll put it up, post it on my TikTok or IGTV so you can hear it better. But just take a look at this commercial. Just listen. The sounds are so funny.
Fun rumble wherever you go. Stack up 2, stack up 4, stack up 6, and much more. Mushes crumble. Push them and they tumble. Any way you mush, they're gonna crumble. Hear them crumble when you mush. Hear them crumble when you smush. There's an entire Mushabelly world for every boy and girl. Or have fun all day as Mushabelly chatters, giggle, and laugh with you. It's so much fun for you to see how many.
Stack them up and tumble them down if you want to collect the larger ones. But if you don't have the space for all of these large Mushabellys, don't even worry about it. They have Mushabelly minis. They're so super cute. Kids that like to have sleepovers or even for something for school, for nap time, we have happy nappers. These are really soft, cuddly pillows that actually transform into sleeping bags. These are great for going to grandma's house, and they actually store really nicely back in their storage bag. They fold up great. You can keep them on a child's bed and make it look like it's just a plushie. These are really adorable. I love the varieties they come in. Like that pink shark is so funny. Now, Boxy Girls. Everybody loves Boxy Girls. This is a fun unboxing experience for dolls. They come in a new line called Rainbows Boxy Girls. There's all different colors. I just love it. It's the same unboxing experience, except this time you get new varieties of dolls. And these dolls are super posable. They actually come in 2 packs now, so you get 1 surprise Boxy Girl and 1 visible one. These are great dolls for little girls, little boys. My son loves them. So these are really fun dolls. Next is a new line called Hello Pretty. These dolls now have painted faces, so it adds a lot of like whimsy to the toy line. We have the Let's Party line where they're all going to a party. There's also the Fashion Adventure line where shopping is totally in and they have new things to open up, no more boxes. Now they have like shopping bags with really cool sayings on them like be brave, don't quit, really inspirational. Boxy Babies are so super cute, and now they're gonna come in like these little blind boxes. You could feed your Boxy Baby, collect them all. They are so adorable. Now the Boxy Babies line is really expanding. So we have these little miniature ones, and they're gonna go all the way up to like larger doll sizes. These are the Boxy Baby dolls that I was talking about just before. They have the same look as a Boxy Baby. You could check out like their little square heads. They come in these really cute boxes that you unbox, but you keep the box because the baby inside is a surprise, and you keep the box for like a high chair or something to sit the baby up in to really add to the pretend play value. Boxy Babies Boo-Boos, where you diagnose your baby's symptoms and make your baby feel better. We also have new Boxy Babies Twins and this really cool carousel. What a fun way to unbox new Boxy Babies. The bellies are back and they have new packaging. They're still naughty, they're still adorable, and they come with more accessories to really continue the story of the belly. Baby Buppies are adorable babies that are found in these gigantic bottles, and they just have these really unique capabilities. So you feed your baby this magical bottle and it actually releases these fun little traits. So they like to giggle and laugh, and I just think they're really cute. I just love the bottle, like the size of the bottle, and the toy itself is really awesome because it comes with a bunch of accessories. So you're not just unboxing a baby, you get a baby blanket, you get a baby bottle, you also get a cradle for the baby, some stickers, a birth certificate, things like that to really help lend to the pretend play value. Baby Gemmys are little dragons, and inside each egg you're going to find a plush dragon. They are really magical, really cute, and something totally different. We don't really see too many dragons that are just plushies inside of an egg, so I really like that. Baggy Buddies are a new way to collect plush. Each one is a surprise. You only get to know what kind of animal it is by the box and their eye color, so it's totally a surprise. Super duper cute. I just love the packaging with them. They are just fun to hold and to carry. The Magic Kitchen is a great way for kids to get in the kitchen and help out mom, help out dad. And this is a really fun way for kids to learn math, learning basic life skills, things like that. Wonderoo. Wonderoo is a great way for kids to really just settle down before bedtime and listen to a story via an app. So the app gets transmitted to Wonderoo, and Wonderoo actually brings story time to life. Super Cuties are like my favorite from Jaya Play. These are new superhero babies. They are really adorable. I think they're so cute. They're giant posable dolls. They're so adorable, and they have a really great storyline. So you feed your baby their magical like superhero drink, and when they drink it, it lights up at the bottom, and then they get their power from their drink. Their outfits are reversible, so they can go from super cuties to super cute babies in no time without revealing their identities. Really adorable. I just love this line. It's going to be a hit. It's going to be a top toy for this year for sure. Bellies is perfect spring gift. This is actually series 2. I have actually never seen these before, so I think they are really great addition for spring, for summertime. So really fun unboxing experience. Guys, what did you think of everything that you saw at the Jaya Play booth? Don't forget to watch part 1 if you haven't already. I really do appreciate you staying and watching to the end. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, do your thing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe.